So today we will discuss about the problem which is count of each character occurrence in a given string. Okay, so suppose there is a string, suppose given as automation. Okay, so each character, how many times it is occurred? A two times, so U one time. So in this way, we need to count each character how many times it is present in a string. Okay, and display the each character along with its count. Okay, so output should be we want it like this. So approach here we need hash map actually, and we are going to iterate through the string. Okay, each character. Okay, while iterating each character we are going to check inside map. Okay, contains we are going to check whether that particular character is already present. Okay, contains key we have method. Okay, contains key method we are going to check each character. Okay, if it is present, okay, we are going to increment the particular character count, else we are going to keep as a for that particular character as a one. I can say for that particular character one we keep, otherwise we increment one value if already present inside a hash map, as we are taking into hash map. Okay, so each we iterate our string by converting into character array, and we are going to check and we are going to put the values into map. So first step hash map we do, and we are going to have one for loop because we wanted to iterate each character in the given string. So we are going to convert our string also to character array, and while iterating we are going to check this particular key in that particular iteration. Does it map already contains? If it contains, we are going to increment the value for that key. For this, we use get method to get the value of the particular key. We will see in the program. Okay, if not present, we are going to keep for that particular character as a once it is present. Okay, so methods and variables here we use contains key method in HashMap, and we use a get method also. Okay, these two are the methods which we are going to use it. Okay, and we declare a HashMap also. So these three things we required. Okay, so this one I will show you once we write the program, because once we keep into HashMap all the characters and how many times it is occurred, we are I will show you how we can iterate our hash map in multiple ways. Okay, so many people gets confused. Okay, normally there are multiple ways which we can display the map values, key and values. Okay, so let's write a program. So as first what we need is hash map. We need, as we wanted to store each character and number of times it is occurred, that also we wanted to keep inside map. So we are going to declare as a character. Okay, and number of times it is occurred, or number of, so we need integer because we wanted for each character. Okay, how many times it is occurred as a value we wanted as a integer. Here also we are going to keep same. Let's add util. Now, as we have one input string, we wanted to convert as array, character array. So we want the given input into character array so that each character we can iterate it using for loop. Okay, and we can add into map depends on the number of occurrence. So how we can convert inputs? I will declare one input string. Automation on value. So input string dot to char array dot to char array. Now this is character array. Now we need each character need to be iterated. Okay. So data type also see char and which character array. This is the character array. Let's keep properly. So now we are going to have condition. Okay, we want to check this particular map. Okay, does it contain already this a? Because in first iteration it will be a character will be coming. Does it contains? If s, okay, we are going to increment with +1. If not present, we are going to keep as a particular character once it is occurred. So now character count map, this particular map dot contains key. Okay, this particular in first iteration it is having we have a value. Okay, and next one u, after that t. In that way we will be having else dot put method we use to insert into HashMap. So c comma 1. If it is not present, we are going to give as a 1. If it is present, contains key, already this character map, count map, if it contains that's this particular character, we are going to increment the value of character count map. Here also we use book method and character. Okay, first parameter it accepts which character. Second parameter is how many times it is occurred. So here to get, okay, how many, like what is the value for the particular key. Okay, we need to use get method actually. We need to use get method to fetch the value of the particular key. Get C. Okay. Now we are going to get A. How many times it is present? If it comes inside A, how many times it is present? U, how many times it is present? When it comes to T, how many times it is present? Okay. So in that way, we are going to get the value of the particular key. So if it is present already, current this count map, we are going to increment as a 1. So we are done with the logic. So now just we display the our map. So now I am going to display this particular map. Here we can declare we can display the values from map in multiple ways actually. We will see that. So now if we execute this, it will display, okay, values as like this. Okay, like this one. Okay, like this it will display. If we display with just with the map. Okay, if you wanted to display as a key value, okay, so we need to use entry set. So this is one more approach to display the values. This is one more approach to display the values. I will show you one by one. So let's see now. Let's execute this and see once the main logic. After that, we'll go further. So this is how it is going to display for us if we are displaying just with system.out.println. But I wanted to display as like this. Suppose A, U, 2 like this. Suppose. Okay. In that case, we need to use this particular syntax with entry set. With entry set, we need to create and we have a get key and get value methods. So my character count map. Now it will display output will be with proper key and values and number of times it is present. So it's up to us how we wanted to like based on the unit. We are missing somewhere this okay. So if you see here now how it is displayed, this is how it displays. If we use entry set and get key and get values method. So that's how it is. So it's very easy. Just we use, just I will revise once. First, we will declare one hash map, and we need to convert to char array for the given string, and each character we are going to check inside map, does it present or not. If present, we increment the value, one value. If not present, we are going to keep as a 1. So that's it about this particular program. Thank you.